I'll switch on. Yeah, okay. I read your comment, this thing. Okay. So
Yeah.
2023 you finished. From where did you finish? BTech?
Uh, in Hyderabad, sir,
Okay.
Mallareddy Engineering College.
Mallareddy. Okay. Got it. Huh. Fine. After that, you got into this thing, CAD draftsman. Why did you get there? Like, how did you get there?
Like, sir, in the college itself, I've learned AutoCAD
Okay.
and SketchUp also.
Okay.
So based on that, there was an opening in the company on AutoCAD. So
Okay.
I have applied it and I went to the interview. I got
Mm-hmm.
selected.
Okay. What salary they are paying you? You're still with this job, no?
No, sir, I left it
You
actually.
left it. Okay. Why did you
I'll
leave?
tell
Why
about
did you
that.
leave?
Yeah. The reason I left is in the last year, 2024, December, I left the company. I
Huh.
wanted to pursue my master's in US.
Okay.
But
You
that
want to?
reason, I left that
Okay.
company.
1 minute. 1 minute. Huh. Okay. Huh. Okay. Now. Okay. Fine. Fine. What salary you were getting there?
I was getting 20,000.
Okay. Fine. When did you leave? December.
Yes.
Okay. Now what you have been doing since December till now Feb?
Uh, in the December, sir, I attended for the visa interview. I
Uh,
got it. But later, very close cousins of my very close cousins, they talk with me and they told the reality of the
US.
today's reality in US, how
Mm-hmm.
hard it is. It is
To get
not like in the past.
passed.
No, so they told me not to waste so much of money in
Mm.
doing masters. Is it really you want to do masters or you want to do job?
Mm.
I've
Mm.
told them my ultimate goal is to do a job and settle there in the abroad country. Actually,
Okay.
my goal is to go to Australia, but no, I didn't urge option to go there. So I chose US. So they told me other routes, like there are work visas for
Mm.
Australia.
Mm-hmm.
As you have a 1 year of experience and civil engineering is a highly demanded in Australia,
Mm.
so my anyhow you have wasted 1 to 2 lakhs for process. It's okay.
Okay.
Don't be
Uh-huh.
regretted because you will be wasting so much in the
So much.
future.
Yeah, yeah. 30, 40
So
lakhs minimum you need if you want to
yes,
do
sir,
from US.
exactly. So instead of, I'll give you a suggestion. Apply for a work visa. You can work there, study there, and also you'll get a visa for your parents as well. There are a lot of benefits for Australian visa. So they have guided me like that and I dropped from the US plan.
Okay, okay. Done. Done. Now, Australia, what, like when you're planning to go, like what is that?
Uh, Sir, decided last month only. I
Uh,
need to write my PT or IELTS exam.
uh,
I will start in around April month.
mm,
From April, it will take 1 year to complete
okay.
the process.
Oh, that means next fall, 2026, you'll be going there.
Yes, sir.
Done. Fine. So, like, why you want to go abroad and do job? Like that is your dream, or what is the case?
Exactly, sir. It is my dream.
Okay, done, done. Australia has seen many students. Like there are two, three students of mine. There's one student of mine. He had enrolled in my course.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I'll show you that review also. I think you might have seen that. There's one student. He had enrolled in few of my courses. Maybe somewhere here. My screen is visible, no?
Yes, yes, it is.
There's one guy here. This one, Gautam Komireddy. He got in Australia also. He
Okay.
went there. If you want, you can connect with him. I'll send his in
Yes,
this thing, LinkedIn ID. You connect to him and you ask him like recently he went. It's been 1 month, I guess. Okay.
yes, sir. Please do.
Okay.
That will
Yeah, yeah.
help me,
So that
really
you
help me
get
a
an
lot.
idea. Apart from that, there is one girl. She is my student, but she couldn't get find a job there. If you want, I'll share her number also. But better you speak to this guy only. It's better option. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. 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 Done. Now from my side, what you want?
From your side, sir, the main reason I got connected to you is the 1 year I worked as a draftsman. In that year, I did not get satisfaction
Hmm.
to the work I have worked there.
What kind of work you did
I've
in draftman plans and all you prepared?
not planned, sir.
Hmm.
Actually, it is in a survey department.
Okay.
They used to use a lidar detective equipment which is connected to the helicopter. They used to run it over the area. They used to collect the photos. From that photo, we have to collect the data using
Data.
AutoCAD.
Okay,
So
got it.
yes, that is what I have done there. Apart from that, they have used me for extra work also. I know how to extract data from the LiDAR device. I did not get satisfied, sir. Actually, my goal is to work as like a good civil engineer, complete civil engineer. That is not a complete civil engineer, I realized.
Yes. This thing now, masters, whatever you're planning, in which field you're planning?
In civil only, sir.
In
The
civil,
first
like
preference is structural engineering.
okay.
After that, I wanted to do transportation also, transportation engineering. If not, project management.
Better get into project management. That would be a better
Okay.
option.
Okay.
Structural also you can get, but your fundamental should be good if you want to work as a structural engineer. Especially your subjects like strength of materials, RCC, steel structure subjects, then you should have good proficiency in software like ETAP, STAD Pro. And in Australia, I think, of course, the code book is different. Indian code book and Australian code books are different. So you need to understand a lot of things if you want to get into structural part. Instead, structural, I would suggest get into project management, construction management, or project man. That is a better option. Structure is also good, but provided in structure, you should have good understanding about the subject.
Okay.
Okay, it's up to you. Transportation, I don't have an idea, but if there is a good scope in transportation and all, you can look and you can get into any of this, no problem. Okay, okay, not a problem. That you decide based. You can ask a few of your friends and all, those are working there or in maybe in US and all. They can guide you better. From my side, I would suggest go with the structures and construction management. Both are good. Structure requires a lot of understanding.
Okay.
Construction management, once you have certain site experience, if you know to do planning, BOQ preparation, and all these things, and then you can survive in this field. Here, your engineering knowledge is not much needed in construction management field. Structure engineering requires a lot of engineering, physics knowledge, and all.
So, sir, how do I start with getting into this?
Yeah, I'll say. Now, if you want courses, I'll suggest you few of my courses.
Yes.
Okay. That I'll suggest you. That would be a good option for you. Just give me a minute. I'll share my screen.
My ultimate is, sir, I want a job satisfaction and good salary and also future scope.
Future scope, construction management, BIM, these are the future now.
Okay.
BIM also, if you want, you can take a training. I don't have a BIM training. I'll suggest you a different person who has worked in Dubai and all. He has around 7 to 8 years of experience. It will cost you, it will be a 6 months of training. It will cost you around 35,000 for the training of a BIM. You learn BIM also because you have another 1 year of time, no?
Yes, sir.
You can, apart from that, what you're doing now daily?
I for now, sir, I'm working as a temporary job.
Okay.
As I resigned in December 2024, in the January month, all the talking were going between my cousins and me. But now I'm doing a part-time job.
What is that part-time job?
Other side, sir.
What is a part-time job you're doing?
Part-time job, it is a non-IT job.
Okay.
In the meanwhile, I'm spending my most of the time to improve my skills. I'm learning Revit as well, and I'm doing SketchUp plans again. I'm refreshing them, and AutoCAD as well.
From where you're learning? You know already, or you're learning from some other person?
No, sir. Online itself.
From where? YouTube.
From the YouTube, I learned from YouTube, and also there are other apps. I've taken subscription of 1,000-1,500.
Which one?
It is called as a 1 minute, sir.
𝗥𝗲𝗏.
No, sir. One is Bhavanam C2C. One my friend suggested. All the other one is CAD app India.
Okay, fine, done, no problem, done. Now, see, if you want to improve skills and all, first is one is site execution knowledge you should have. Then you should know how to read the structural drawings. Then you should know how to do the estimation, BBS, BOQ preparation and all. Then you should have good knowledge about MS Excel software. Then you should have a good understanding of basic project planning, MS Project. steel structure executions and all. Okay. So this
Okay.
particular course, okay, it's not a 15,000. It will cost you around 9,000 something. I'll explain you the syllabus for in this course. If I go to the content and if I go to the English language, see in we have this like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. 5 levels are there. Okay. In level 1, I'll be teaching you the complete site. This entire course will be recording will be done. I'll show you how that entire course will look like. Okay. It was a 2-year-old recording. Now, new recording, I'll be doing something like this. Okay. In this, we'll try to cover most of the topics, almost everything. Like, what you'll understand what are the stages of construction, like pre-construction, construction, post-construction. Then we'll start from a very zero level, like basics of civil engineering. What is cement and aggregate? What are the different grades of rebar? So first fundamentals will develop, and after that we'll start with the soil testing and all. How that soil testing will be done, how to read the geotechnical reports. Okay, how what the first step in any construction project is your site clearance. How the site clearance will be done. When you work in big projects, how this mobilizations will be done and all. This is a labor camp. This is how you keep the steel and all. Okay, then you will be having like this. All these are your like a rebar yard and all. So these things you will be. I mean, you should have a knowledge about all these things. Once we understand that, then we'll start with the center line marking. If you want to do any project, you have to do the center line marking and all. Okay. To do center line marking, you should know how to read the drawings and all. So again, I'll explain you. Give me 1 minute. I'll explain the drawing also. Yeah. So all these are the structural drawings and all. You haven't done all this work, no, so far.
No, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So these are your footing layout. Okay, then this will be a column layout, plinth beam layout, schedule of the footings, and everything will be given. So in my site execution course, based on the drawing, we'll do the center line. All these things I'll teach you practically from the site only. I'll show you the images, then I'll run all the practical videos of this project. So in this way, there are a lot of projects which I've done. This is one more project which we did, the center line marking. This is one image I had taken from LinkedIn. This is one more project which we did. Then this is one ongoing project what we have. So in this way, whatever projects I'm doing, all those things is one another new project, starting center line marking and all we have done. So in this way, I'll teach you each and everything practically from the site. So this way we'll try to do all the marking and all. Okay. So this thing we'll try to understand in the entire sequence of construction. Tomorrow, if you're doing the excavation and all, how you do the excavation, how to read the drawings and all, each and everything will try to cover. What is this shuttering, how this center line marking will be done, each and everything, PCC, each and everything will try to cover like this. So this will be entire, I'll be teaching you each and everything practically with all, this is almost like 700, 800 page PPT I have. In this way, each and everything, right from starting, concreting we'll do the de-shuttering, then how to do the placing of the concrete, what are the types of foundations, each and everything we'll try to cover here. Okay, got an idea, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is eccentric footing, what is combined footing, where do you eccentric footing? You studied all these things in college, pad footing,
Yes,
all that. But yeah, but what is a practical application of that? And few projects from Dubai and all I've covered. This is a rough foundation and all. All these are your rough foundations and all. Okay. So this is a high-rise building project and all. So in this way, I covered each and everything in the entire course. These things we'll try to learn in the sequence of construction. Okay. Here we will try to cover that in site engineer. Once that is done, next we will go to the drawing reading. In drawing reading, I've taken more than certain, this kind of plan, I've taken more than 30 plus drawings I've taken. In the entire drawing, we'll try to understand how this footing size is decided, how the depth is decided, how these reinforcements are decided, what is the logic behind this, how to read this plinth beam layout, how to read the slab reinforcement details, each and everything we'll try to cover. So that we will cover in the drawing reading course. It's almost a 30 hours lecture. We'll cover a G+3 residential building, then structure design of a G+3 building, G+2 building, G+1 commercial building, hostel building, assignment, structure engineering concept, industrial building, interior and plumbing drawing, basement plus ground plus 3-story building, airport drawing, basement plus ground plus 26-story building. In this way, all the things we'll try to cover. Okay. So that we will cover here. Okay. So once you finish these two things, next we will go for a estimation course. Okay, for the same building, if somebody asks you what will be the total cost of this building, how much footing quantity is required, how much cement, sand, aggregate quantity is required, how much steel and all is required, you should know how to you should know how to create such kind of sheets and all. All these are my estimation sheets. Okay. So in this, we'll create all the estimation sheets and all. From this, we'll get an understanding how much amount cement, sand, aggregate is required. All those things we'll do here. Okay.
Yes.
Understood, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this. Then we'll prepare a BOQ also. This is called as BOQ, where we'll give the complete cost of the building for this much work, how much rate should come and all that thing we'll do in the BOQ preparation. Okay.
Mm.
And then you should know how to prepare the bar bending schedule. This is footing. This is footing BBS and all. So how much steel will be required in the footing, how much steel, how much column in the column, how much steel is required, then in slab, how much it is required. All this BBS will try to create in the bar bending schedule course. So in this, if I go to this one, level 2, here we will cover that estimation, BBS, BOQ, and all these things. Okay. So if you finish
Okay.
this three up to here, let's say 20 to 30% of your construction knowledge you're going to gain from here if you finish this.
Okay.
Then we'll do the one interview preparation course is there. Whatever interview questions they'll ask, how do you answer those things, that will be covered here. Then I'll explain you about the concrete technology, and MS Excel is very important because tomorrow if you're working the project management, then you should be good in MS Excel and all. This entire MS Excel course I've explained here. Okay. After that,
Okay.
once you finish that, tomorrow if you become a planning engineer and all, because project management and all, you should have a planning knowledge and all. So that
Mm.
basic planning knowledge I'll cover in my level 4. So in the level 4, we'll cover that basics of project planning, MS project software we'll cover even the Primavera, and level 5 will be a steel structure execution. Revit any of you are doing, not a problem. Steel structure also we'll try to understand. So again,
Okay.
whatever future courses, again, one course on project management I'm going to add, that will be added here. So if you finish this, no, most of the knowledge people those who take 3 4 years to learn all these things, that much things I've covered in this particular course. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this course you can enroll. You'll get it for around 8,999. There will be some 50% off. You can buy this course. You'll get a lifetime access. All my future courses also you're going to get in this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, what doubt you have? Tell me.
Uh, yes, sir. It was the main doubt only.
Hmm.
You cleared up. And will this directly like lead me to the project management?
Hmm. So because if you're
So,
doing masters, then you'll be working as a planning engineer, cost engineer. Then these are the options that you'll be working as a project coordinator and all. So there you should know all these things. You should know how this entire execution is done and all. All those things I'll teach you practically from the side. We'll cover one apartment building also along with that. And we'll try to understand how to read the drawings, how the executions are done, how the footing concreting, how the column concreting is done, what is pedestal, what is column. Okay, each and everything I'll cover in the course.
in the end of course, will I be getting a certificate also, sir?
You will get a certificate. But again, I mean, if you're going for abroad and all, then if they ask
Yes.
the certificate, that will help you. But at the end of the day, your knowledge is the one which will help you to get a job anywhere. Certificate is just like you'll get it. You'll get a certificate from my side once you finish. Not a problem.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And also, sir, um, uh, also will you help me to search a job?
Hmm.
How
See,
to search a job
that is if
for
you want it.
interview?
Yes. If it is in India, I can help you out.
Mm.
I mean, I have added a lot of lectures and all. Like if you come here, there's one lecture of mine, job scope here. Okay. Here I've done like for you, I'm doing a mentoring. No, same thing I've done mentoring for other students and all.
Yes, sir.
So
I've seen
yeah,
all that.
you've seen it. No. So that will, other than that, I'll take one more session. Once you finish a course, I'll tell you. Anyhow, you are applying, you want to do a job in India or you'll directly go
I
Australia.
want to go direct.
Then there's no point in taking any job. No.
Mm.
Only thing is, I'll help you with these connections. In LinkedIn, I'll help you with the connection of that guy.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, okay. You just tell my name, he'll understand. You can communicate with him so that he can give you more insights about Australia, like how's the work going, which is a better options and all. You can go and write Komi Reddy. Komi Reddy. Wait, what was his name? His name was
Gautam Community.
Gautam, no?
Yes. GOW.
Sometime it will come, sometime it won't come. Okay. Did you mean Gautam? Huh? This guy. Otherwise, it is here only. Gautam. Wait. GOU, no?
It was GOW, sir.
GOW.
W. Yes.
It's not coming. Hmm. Okay, this guy.
Okay.
They told like they asked about project management in the interview, questions related to ground improvement. He is working that ground improvement like this thing, job only. Okay, you can connect to him and you can ask him like how it's what is the work happening and all. Okay, he
Okay.
got job in Kellar, Austral
Mm,
Construction of Kellar Group. Okay, now he's in Australia. It's been 2 months. He's
mm,
working in Perth now.
okay.
You can connect with him and speak to him. He can give you better insights.
Yes.
Okay. This thing I can help you. Apart from that, there is one more girl in my contact. But anyhow, she did not find any job. Just I'll if you want, I can share her number also. You can communicate with her.
Yes, sir. At least I'll get any information.
Yeah, yeah. Done. No, this is what you wanted. You can enroll in that course. So that
Okay, I
minimum
will.
3 4 yeah minimum 3 4 months is required for you to complete that course. Okay. And also whatever future things like project management topics also will be adding in it. You'll get everything in this course. Again, you don't have to buy
Okay.
any course. Once you finish this, if you still have time in future, learn BIM
After this.
after this. Once your fundamentals are good, see BIM is
Okay.
not needed. If you learn it's well. Otherwise, you learn more into the contracts, tender and all. See, if you're getting into
Okay.
project this thing, construction management. If it is structure engineering, then you have to learn structure engineering concepts and all.
Mm.
But if you're getting into project management, then I'll suggest you other things like Power BI, learn Plan Swift software, then learn contracts, tender, all those things, high level and all.
In the future, will I be able to start my own consultancy also, sir?
But you'll be working there. No, again, why you want to come back? Where you want to start? In Australia only.
Here or Australia, after I gain
Australia.
experience of 10 to 15 years.
You can come and do, not a problem. But again, same,
Yes.
we don't know what will happen in the next 10, 15 years.
But
Simple.
I
But
have a dream of
yes,
that.
you can do, not a problem.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm. Again, what you want to ask?
Uh, yeah, sir. For now, I'm fine.
Done, no?
Yes.
Any other doubts you have?
No, sir.
Okay.
I'll next time I'll note it down. I'll reach you again.
Okay, you can reach me on WhatsApp. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
whenever you want to buy, you can enroll in the course.
Okay. Also, my friend is also there. She wants to take a session from you.
Okay.
I'll refer her and
What she
give
does?
you a number. Now, the same year, 2023, she completed her bachelor's.
Okay.
She's working in a company as a ArchiCAD engineer.
Archicad engineer.
Yes, Australian software it seems.
Uh-huh.
Now she wants to join MTech
Okay.
and do her MTech in structural engineering.
Mm.
So she is in a confusion that she want to write GATE actually.
Writing
So
it is good because if you do
yes,
it from normal college, it's of no use. If you're doing from IITs and NITs, then only you'll get that 6.5 lakh ka package minimum.
yes, sir. Okay,
So you should clear get into some IITs or NITs where they have good placement, and definitely 7 8 lakh package she can get. If she is not interested much into structural engineering, she can do it from NICMAR and all, construction management.
okay.
That is also good. NICMAR like, but you should have good money because that will cost you like 13 14 15 lakhs NICMAR.
Okay.
That's okay. Anyhow, you ask her to connect to me. I'll speak to her.
Yes, sir. I will give her your number and tell her to reach you.
Okay, done.
Yes. Okay,
Hmm?
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Chalo, bye. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So if you people are also interested in enrolling any of the courses, if you want to upgrade your knowledge and all, you can enroll in any of my courses based on your requirement. This course includes, you will get this course for 8,999. It includes all my courses and my future courses. It's a very good course if you want to stay in the construction job only. Apart from that, even the 6-in-1 combo course will cost you around 4,000 rupees. It includes my site execution, estimation, drawing, reading, concrete technology, interview preparation, and MS Excel course. But you'll not get any of my future courses in this. And apart from that, if you want only site execution, estimation, drawing, reading, this will cost you 1,999. But it doesn't include any concrete technology, interview preparation, MS Excel, MS Project, steel structure courses and all. Okay. So based on your requirement, you can enroll in my course. Apart from that, if you want any mentoring, you can WhatsApp me on this number. Don't call me. You can WhatsApp me. and I'll speak you over the call or maybe on the Zoom. Okay, just in case if you want any mentoring session, if you want to know like which field you want to get into and all, you can connect to me on this number. That is how it is. So in his case, I have suggested him this particular course. The reason being, if you want to stay in the construction job, especially in the project management and all, then this course will help you. In that case, you should be knowing everything like construction, drawing reading, estimation, BOQ preparation, rate analysis, bar bending schedule, basic project planning, project management, tender, contracts, all these things you should be knowing. Most of the things I have covered it here. Tender contract is not there. Maybe in future I may add it. But if you want to get into structured designing job, then this course is not going to help you. For structured designing, you can enroll in this course so that your fundamentals are good. And after that, you should enroll in my ETAP, StatPro, SAFE, RCDC course and all, which is here also. I have a course on that. It is done by a different faculty. But again, before enrolling, connect to me based on the requirement and I'll suggest you. Don't randomly enroll in any of the courses if you don't know what exactly you want. So these are the things. Apart from that, this is what I have suggested him. So this will take him at least 3 to 5 months to finish the course. It has more than 350, 400 hours of the content. And whatever I teach, everything will be practically from the side, which is required in the industry. Each and everything what I teach, it's more than 700 to 800 PPTs and all. Each and everything like we'll understand to read the drawings. In this way, we'll try to understand how the lapping should be done. And this is how we try to teach in our entire course. Even if you go to the offline training also, they cannot match the level what I teach in my online classes, because most of things what I teach is from my practical experience. And also we'll be adding a lot of construction videos. It's not the only images will be shown to you. This image along with the same building videos, construction videos, I've done the recording. So those things we'll try to cover in the entire course. And this is how that entire course is made up. Also, we'll try to cover few high-rise buildings also. Of course, construction sequence cannot be covered, but sequence remains the same. Few things will change, but again, whatever is possible from my side, I also covered in. I'll be covering. I'll be doing a re-recording of my site execution course. There we will try to cover certain high-rise buildings. We'll understand how those constructions are there, done. What are the concepts? Those things we'll try to cover in our courses and all. That is how it is. Along with that, lot of other things we have done. This is that. I mean, this is a next part of that, how you put the plinth beam PCC, how the reinforcements are arranged. Then we'll try to cover the these are the kind of projects that we have that will be able to understand how the plinth beam concreting is done. This is one of the apartment construction. Okay, all these are the apartment construction. So in this way, we'll try to teach you how those things are to be done and all. Almost we'll cover more than 5, 6, 7 projects here. All the projects will and also will be able to understand how to read the drawings, what are the concept behind it, because working anybody can do. If I show you that this is plinth beam concreting, you have to do the concrete, that is fine. But if somebody asks you what is the reason behind providing a plinth beam, how to read the reinforcement details, what are the logic behind all these things, all these are your slab reinforcement. Now why the crank bar should be done, why it is bent at 2 feet 6 inches, you're getting my point. These are the things which you should be knowing. Then also you should know how this depth is decided, how the reinforcements are decided. Okay, this basic understanding you should have. In the same way, this is a beam reinforcement. Now, why you have provided 12 diameter 2 bar at the top? Why you have provided 12 diameter 2 bar in the bottom? Why it is 2 leg 8 dia straight up at 8 inches? Why not why not at 10 inches? So these are the things which you should be knowing, which will be covered in my entire course and all. So there we will try to understand all these things in a more better way. So all these things we have covered. Also, what is this grade slab? How the ramp construction will be done? So what is grade slab? How the reinforcements is put in the grade slab and all. So this way we'll try to cover it in the entire sequence of construction, the site engineer course. So do like and subscribe to my channel. So you'll be getting a lot of videos. And in my channel, there are other videos where I've done a lot of mentoring to other students. There are a lot of good concepts. And you can download my Civil Brains app and enroll in my course. And if you want any guidance, you can WhatsApp me on this number so that I can guide you. So I'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.